Sanbonani and welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning means of transport in isiZulu. However, this one is more like a refresher or a reminder of what we had learned before. So listen carefully again and practice. So firstly, I will do a quick recap. I will say the name in isiZulu and you'll say it in English to try and remember what we had learned. Let's start. Imoto. Itekisi. Ibhasi. Isitimela. Isithuthuthi. Ibhayisikili. Indiza. Umkhumbi. Isikebe. So how do you do? I hope you managed to remember what each one is in English. If you couldn't remember or you didn't watch the video that I posted before, here is it. Go back to this video and listen to them again. Now let's start with today's lesson. I'll give you sentences. Siya olwandle ngemoto. And this means we're going to the sea by car. You can also say we are traveling to the sea by car. Ngihamba ngetekisi. I am traveling by taxi. Sihamba ngebhasi siya edolobheni. We are going to town by bus. Isitimela siyagijima. The train moves very fast. Ubaba ugibela isithuthuthi. The father is riding a motorbike. Ngigibela ibhayisikili lami. I am riding my bicycle. Indiza phezulu esibhakabhakeni. The aeroplane is flying high in the sky. Umkhumbi usemanzini. The ship is on the water. Isikebe sihamba emanzini. The boat travels on the water. Siya esitolo ngezinyawo. We are walking to the shop. We have come to the end of our video. Please do take some time to rewatch and understand the sentences fully. Which means of transport do you use the most? Please let me know in the comments and try to write it in isiZulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for learning isiZulu with me, and I hope you have learned something today. See you in the next lesson. Nisale kahle. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.